This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can adjust the flying altitude restriction or limit on this drone. So at the start, enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Now launch settings by pressing at those three horizontal dots you'll find at the top right corner of the display. Inside settings, select the first category, that is MC settings, scroll down and look for the maximum altitude adjustment. Here you can set this value to be anywhere between 20 and 500 meters. I'll set it to 150 for example. Then agree, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.